Okay, today we want to look at finding the sum of regular polygons. Now, we are being told a regular polygon has 12 sides. A regular polygon has 12 sides. Now, sum of interior angles, find the sum of interior angles of the polygon, is given by the formula n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees, where n is the number of sides which we have. So we are saying n is equal to 12. Where there is n in our formula, we replace 12. So we have 12 take away 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. Therefore now we shall have 12 take away 2 is 10 multiplied by 180 degrees to give us the sum of interior angles of a polygon as 1800 degrees. And this becomes our answer. This becomes our answer. So that is it. Where there is n, you replace there 12. So 12 take away 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. 12 take away 2 is 10. 10 times 180 degrees, we shall get what? 1880 degrees as our solution. The next part, which is part B, says find each exterior angle of a polygon. We know that one exterior angle is equal to 360 degrees out of n, where n is equal to number of sides of the polygon. Number of sides of the polygon. Number of sides of the polygon. Now, the number of sides of the polygon we have been given as n is equal to 12. N is equal to what? To 12. Then now we are saying that one exterior angle is equal to one exterior angle will be equal to 360 degrees. We divide it by 12. 12 into itself is 1. 12 into 36 is 3. That is 0, 30. So one exterior angle is equal to what? To 30 degrees. And this becomes our answer. So this is the formula. One exterior angle is equal to 360 degrees over n, where n is equal to number of sides of the polygon. N is equal to 12. One exterior angle is equal to 360 out of 12. 12 into itself, 1. 12 into 360 is 30. So one exterior angle is what? 30 degrees. Question C. Find each interior angle of the polygon. What do we know? That if this is my polygon, I want to assume that our polygon is 5-sided. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A 5-sided polygon is called a pentagon. Then we are being told that we find each interior angle. We have worked out from part C and we have found that the exterior angle is 30 degrees. So this one here, you put it here, 30 degrees. What do we know? That exterior angle plus interior angle is equal to 180 degrees. What is the reason? Both of them lie on a straight line. Both lie on a straight line. That is the reason. And you can see here. So we are looking for this interior angle. Now what do we know? Since the interior angle and the exterior angle, which is here and this exterior angle, both of them lie on a straight line, then we shall say x plus 30 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. What is x then? We take the 30 the other side. X is equal to 180 degrees take away 30. So each interior angle of this particular regular polygon that we have here is 150 degrees. and this becomes our answer. What do we need to know? That the sum of interior angle and exterior angle of a regular polygon will always be equivalent to 180 degrees. Meaning, if you have been given either the interior angle or the exterior angle, then you add both the interior angle and exterior angle, you equate it to 180 degrees. Then you find the missing. Like in our scenario currently, we don't have the interior angle, but we have the exterior angle. So we say we let the interior angle to be x. X plus 30 is equal to 180 degrees. What is x now? X will be equal to 180, take away 30 degrees. X is equal to what? 150 degrees. Therefore, each interior angle of the above polygon is equal to what? 150 degrees. That was it for today.